G'day guys, it's Ralph here from TOPGUN Welding Australia, and today we're here to talk about the all-new 215 ACDC TIG. The machine's a single-phase 200 amp ACDC TIG with single and dual pulse functionality. It comes with a 26 series TIG torch, 4 metres with a potentiometer on the handpiece, allowing for amperage control on the fly. It comes with a 4 metre work lead and a 4 metre earth lead, and like all TOPGUN machines, includes a 3-year unlimited warranty. Weighing it in at 8.8 kilos, it's perfect for at home, on site or in the workshop, with AC and DC functionality and an easy to use interface. It's sure to become a favourite at home. To learn more about this machine or any other in the range, or to find your nearest stockist, please visit us at www.topgunwelding.com.au.